In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install PHP on Windows Vista Home Premium Edition. First thing, we need to download PHP. Go to www.php.net/downloads.php and under Windows binaries, download the zip package. I have already downloaded this to my desktop. All we need to do now is to double click on the file and extract everything to the desktop. Once this has been done, we can close all of the folders, all of the windows, and rename the extracted folder to just PHP. Now open Computer, navigate to your web server folder, which we've created in a previous video while we were installing Apache, and move the folder to this directory. Now open PHP. Identify the file called php.ini-recommended and rename this file to just php.ini by removing hyphen and recommended. And yes, we want to apply changes. Before we move into editing this file, let's minimize the window for a while. Right-click on a computer and choose Properties. Click on the Advanced System Settings and click under Advanced tab, click on the Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, identify the variable called path and click on the Edit button. At the end of the path, type semicolon, then we need to provide the path to our PHP folder, which is, in our case, /web server/PHP, then another colon, and the same again, /web server/PHP, another backslash, and ext, which is the path to the PHP extension folder. Now click OK, OK, and OK again. You can close this section. Go back to our PHP folder. Double-click on our newly renamed file, which is called php.ini. This will open the file in a notepad. Now Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for doc root. Find next. Okay, we've got doc root equals. After equals, type /web server/htdocs, and that's everything for this section. Then we're going to be looking for extension dir. Okay, and here we're going to replace the dot and / with the path to the extension PHP extension folder, which will be again /web server/PHP /ext. We can now save the file and close it. Go up and go to the conf folder of the Apache structure. Double click on httpd.conf. Ctrl F again. This time we'll be looking for load module. Okay. Place your cursor at the beginning of the whole block and type load module PHP 5_module. And now quote E. This time we're going to be using / /web server /PHP /PHP 5 Apache to _2.dll and a quote. Okay. Next thing, we need to find add type section. Okay, and we want to simply add PHP type as well. So add type application /x httpd php space.php. Now if we scroll up to the top and on the first line remove this hash and type capital letters PHP I lowercase ni capital D lowercase ir quote and a path to our PHP folder again we're going to be using / here /web server /php and we're closing with / as well, and then simply quote. You can save the file and close it. We can close all of the windows as well. Now you can see this Apache icon here. If you click on this one, go to Apache and restart the Apache and load all these modules and everything. Should be fine now. So go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and click on Command Prompt. Now simply type PHP-v, and as you can see, our PHP has been successfully installed. You can see the version of the PHP parser. Now type exit to exit the command line. What we need to do now is we need to restart the computer. So go to Start and choose Restart. Once your computer has rebooted, go to Start and open and in a search box simply type Notepad to open the Notepad and call PHP info function. Save the file, go to File, Save As. We're going to be saving this file to our web host root directory, which is in, we go to the computer first, in my case, web server htdocs. I'm going to give this file name of phpinfo.php. Change the Save As type to All Files and click on the Save button. You can close the file. Open the web browser and simply type http://localhost /phpinfo.php. And as you can see, PHP has been successfully installed. You can see the version plus all other information about the modules and other elements which has been installed together with this parser. So that's it in this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to install MySQL database server on Vista Home Premium Edition.